girl, good girl. I know. Okay, get your head in there. Okay, it's all right. I'm just gonna feed you. I'm not gonna feed him. Don't worry about him. I know it's your T-shirt. I know it's yours. It's yours, and nobody else's. The baby's the one that gets a T-shirt. The baby gets it. Yeah. He knows take your T-shirt. He wants your T-shirt, doesn't he? He wants your T-shirt. Look at that. Yes, he does. Want this one in too? That's pretty. That is a pretty T-shirt. It's a very pretty T-shirt. Baby loves her T-shirt. Gosh, and it's all for the baby. Well, only the baby gets to wear the Supergirl. Supergirl. She's a Supergirl. She got a T-shirt on. Can I give him a little bit? A little bit? Go ahead. Wait. Wait. Sport. Coolie. Good. All right, so we save cookies are left. I'm going to take the T-shirt off. Yeah, and take the T-shirt off. Yeah. Good girl. That's our good girl. All right, here comes. Cookies are left, but oh, alas, the T-shirt goes away. Cookie goes away.